Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn about the distance formula. This is a fundamental tool in coordinate geometry that allows us to calculate the exact distance between any 2 points on a graph. First, let's quickly review the coordinate plane. It consists of a horizontal x-axis and a vertical y-axis. Any point on this plane is defined by a pair of coordinates, x and y, which tell us its exact location. Here is our challenge. We have 2 points, let's call them point 1, with coordinates x1, y1, and point 2 with coordinates x2, y2. We need to find the length of the straight line connecting them, denoted here by d. To solve this, we can draw a right-angled triangle. The horizontal distance between the points is simply x2 minus x1. The vertical distance is y2 minus y1. This creates 2 sides of a triangle. Now recall the Pythagorean Theorem. It states that for a right-angled triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. In our case, the distance d is the hypotenuse, or side c. By substituting our horizontal and vertical distances into the theorem, we get distance squared equals the difference in x squared plus the difference in y squared. To get the distance itself, we simply take the square root of that sum. And here is the final formula. The distance d equals the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. This formula works for any 2 points on the plane. Let's apply this to an example. We want to find the distance between point A at 2, 3, and point B at 6, 6. Here, our first x is 2 and first y is 3. Our second x is 6 and second y is 6. We plug these numbers into the formula. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 6 minus 3 is 3. Squaring them gives us 16 and 9. Adding them equals 25. Finally, the square root of 25 is 5. The distance is 5 units. To summarize, always identify your 2 coordinate pairs first. Find the difference in x and the difference in y, square those differences, add them together, and take the square root. Remember, the distance formula is just the Pythagorean theorem in disguise.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.